Curious ka ba kung anong ibig sabihin ng freelancing at paano ba kumikita dyan? Basically, freelancing is a type of self-employment. So, wala kang boss, hawak mo ang oras mo at higit sa lahat is may control ka sa income or sa gusto mong kitain in a monthly basis. Para din silang mga contractors. And most of all, freelancers can work anytime and anywhere they want kasi sila ang sarili nilang boss. They are their own boss. So, sa freelancing naman, paano kakikita dyan? So, in freelancing, you can earn from the service na ginagawa mo sa clients mo. Halimbawa ako, I help my clients boost their online visibility and get a steady flow of leads and conversions for their businesses. So, binabayaran nila ako sa service ko na yon and sa mga deliverables na napag-usapan namin in a monthly basis. Kaya ikaw, if you wanted to learn more about freelancing, if interested ka na mag-jump-start sa freelancing career mo, ang good news ko sa iyo is may ginagawang 3-part workshop, yung the Freelance Movement Tribe. Isa siyang community of freelancers and I'm part of it. So, you can register for free. And perfect to if you have zero knowledge about freelancing, if zero background ka or wala ka talagang alam sa pag-freelancing. Kahit kung gusto mong gawin yan as side hustle, kung student ka or may day job ka, pwedeng-pwede. So, if you wanted to register and to learn more about it, i-click mo lang yung link na nasa description ng video na to kasi nagsisimula na yung workshop and pwede mo na mapanood yung part 1. Okay?